thought it'd be really cool to show you the corner suite that my brother-in-law Joey and his boyfriend Ed are staying in. So let's come on in, follow me. Got little cute door decorations here. Ooh, how nice. Again, they are in 11282. Also, let's open this up. As soon as you get in, what's really nice about this room is the closets aren't right in the entryway. They're actually in the center, but I'll go over that more a little bit later. This is the bathroom. The shower is a lot larger and more spacious than our interior room. So there is a lot more room here. Let's see, let's go into the bedroom here. Nice bed. Looks like a queen size bed. Decent size TV. I'll say about maybe 50 inches, 53 inches at the most. You know, you're not really watching TV that much anyway. There are USB ports over here and little lights. Ooh, that's bright. And the closets, guys, this is what I was talking about. The closets right here are so nice because they're out of the way, which is great. And there's so much room. I'm not going to open all of them, but just there's so much room. There's a lot of balcony, or a lot of counter space right here. Ample amount of plugs, nice mirror. We basically have the same thing here as our interior. This is the same space as our interior room. So nothing super special here. A lot more room here than our interior. And this is really where the big change is. There is a couch and a little area. Ooh, there's another TV. So there's two TVs. This couch actually pulls out. And I believe this is also a bunk bed that the stewardess or the person can pull down. So that's awesome. There's more storage space there, counter space. This is the balcony that I was showing you guys. Beautiful day out. It is so nice. There's a lot of space here. There's two chairs. There's a small table. Little balcony, which is so nice. And then this actually overlooks the other balconies and the Havana suites. A little bit intrusive, so I don't know if I would really enjoy to stay in one of these. On the balcony here, we can totally see there's a balcony, and then you actually go out, and then you can just go out and then toward the ship. It's a little like private Havana area. Apparently there's a bar someplace, but I don't know where that is. Maybe it's hidden down there, but there's a bar and there might be a pool. Again, this is the balcony, really huge, nice door. Something I found, these handles are a little bit difficult, but more about that. We're drinking a Alec Nassau.
Cheers, guys.
The beer's pretty good, actually. I think the beer's pretty good.
It tastes like Heineken.
Bahama Pride.
Bohemian Pride.
Bohemian, okay. Alright, so we were walking to Senior Frogs, but apparently it looks pretty closed. Surprising, because we thought from a mile away we saw people going in there, but hey, it's closed. Now we're going to walk to this other place, Luca Kyrie Waterfront Bar and Grill. Let's see.
I don't know if that's one of the...
Ooh, fancy beach. This is the Margarita... This is Margaritaville Beach. It is against the law to jump into Nassau Harbor. Persons jumping is subject to arrest and fines. Okay. Gotta make sure not to jump into the harbor now. We were turned away at Luca Kyrie because lack of bartenders.
I guess Senior Frogs owns it because you go in Senior Frogs to poop. So.
The only thing open at Senior Frogs is the
Why would they
restroom.
be open? The toilets to be open, but not their bar.
Alright, now what we do? What do we do now?
It's Starbucks.
I kind of like the blue iguana with that sail that they make in that show.
Yeah, the blue iguana was really good.
Yeah, it is.
Mary and Robert each getting a picture.
So these were $10 each?
Can we go
Is that what they were?
up there and just sit?
How was it 20? Oh,
These
'cause
were
you got a
5,
mixed
that was
drink.
8, and
I
that
love
bottle
the
was
roofs
2,
collapsing.
and then
Hopefully
it's
it'll
a
collapse
12%
from
tax.
It's crazy. Sharkies and got a pina colada. Oh, rum floater on the top. Gotta mix this rum floater in a little bit. Good as a cherry. Hold on.
I just wanted to come over to get a drink.
We should do that. We could just hang out at the bar there at the hotel.
Struggling.
There's about 20 of them.
That's really good. I recommend it. Very good. After Sharkies, we went to Pirate Republic Brewing Company. This was a nice, cute little place. We are on the first floor right here, which is where the main bar is. I am trying a hazy IPA. Tasted great, nice and thick, exactly how I expected it to taste. If you've had a hazy IPA from any other brewery or restaurant in the United States, you know exactly what it tastes like. It tastes great. We continued on upstairs where there's a second bar, but the bar was closed. There was actually no one up there besides us. It was kind of private and nice. They have a dartboard, a few nice little photos. I believe they have a bathroom upstairs, and they also have a little balcony that we hung out on, looked at the views a little bit, then walked downstairs and went back on our way. We didn't spend too much time in Nassau. We were just there 2 months ago, and so we didn't really feel necessary to venture into the island any more than we have. We went to Atlantis also back when we did it 2 months ago, so this was more of a let's hop off the ship, try a few bars, and then hop right back on kind of deal. Back board the ship.
Will you find us if we go to the pool?
Alright guys, I got a chicken taco from Blue Iguana, and I smothered it with this habanero sauce. It's gonna be good. Apparently it's really hot. I can already feel the heat. Wow. Oh. Blue Iguana is always a really good spot to go. This is a great place. I can feel the heat all the way in my throat. Oh my god. It's like an 8 out of 10. Always good at Blue Iguana. So I got the pork sliders and the escargot. Pork slider has a lot of carrots and toppings on it. Wow, I really only taste the onions and carrots and coleslaw. You might put this on the bread and then eat the bread. So try this out. Yeah, there's not really a taste. I can taste the bread. I can taste the oil in the escargot. Maybe if I tried an escargot just by itself. Yeah, I'm really just tasting oil, it feels like.
This is fishy, but that means it's fresh.
Not too much flavor. I wish there was a little bit more flavor, so overall not really that great, but not terrible. I'm gonna finish the pork slider though, for sure. Alright, try the chicken. I don't think it tastes bad. It just like, it tastes like it's been in the freezer, it was defrosted, like Purdue, like pre-packaged. Like that's like that texture is definitely like painted on. Okay, so I got the salmon.
How's your steak?
A little skin on it right there, but that's fine. Okay, so the salmon is not too flavorful. A little bland, but if I put enough salt on it, it's actually pretty good. It doesn't have a fishy taste or anything. It's like I'm eating something very healthy, so I'm actually I'm happy with this. Looks like it's cooked the whole way through. Perfect. All right, dessert is here. I got cheesecake with strawberry sauce.
He's making sweet corn.
That's enough. Don't want to go with it. This is really good. I would come back for the cheesecake again.